Hey, Jeffrey Estrella here at my home state race in Daytona, Florida. Our first round of our ATV Motocross series this year with my new team, Phoenix Racing Honda, and it's gonna be a good weekend. Man, I'm feeling comfortable, feeling fit, feeling ready to go. So just really look forward to going having some fun today and get out of here safe and do really well.
You know, every year we come in and it's kind of like starting over. Everybody all fresh and don't know where they're gonna end up. So we got a whole bunch of rookies coming in, I think 6 of them. Full gate. I think we're gonna have 2 on the back row. So interesting stuff coming this year. And man, my program stayed really similar, which I'm super excited about. Training at the Ford compound in Texas, working with Bryce and Cody. So now I have 2 riders on the pro line with me. So it's been a busy off season. We've been putting our work in and ready to get this first gate drop under the way.
Daytona is always a unique event. And this year we have it even more different for us. We're doing a carousel start, which is really cool. And you know, I'm excited for that. Coming off of you know, a really big win for me with the Des Nations, the Quad Cross of Nations, and then the 2019 championship. Just ready to go out there and mix it up with everyone and, you know, come out of here healthy and safe.
Go crazy, berserker. I killed it, it's murder. 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 Go crazy.
I just had to ride my race and wait for my time to make a move, and Thomas made a little bobble and I was able to cut it underneath him and get by him. And man, just an exciting race here at Daytona, man. This is my 4th win here, carrying the red plate. We're gonna take it to Texas, and we gotta keep the work up though. This is gonna be a tough year, and we'll see you guys here at Underground here in a couple weeks.
You know, I'm so pumped to be up here in the 2nd spot. My goal for Daytona is always just come out here safe and on the podium, and I had a really big scare out there, so I'm just fortunate to be standing here healthy in second place, just a few points out of first for Texas. And you know, we got a few things we're going to work on, and you know, go from there. Click off motos if we can.
Alan Myers here at Daytona 2020. I'm just super stoked on the third place this year. I can't thank my team enough. E-Racing, my mom and dad just had a blast. This race was killer. All the fans out here were awesome. Thank you for having us.